Hello friend, you are here on English with English and I'm gonna talk about today. The topic is no and not. Where to use no and where to use not. What is the meaning of no and what mean of not? Two words, both are most important word. In spoken, we make mistake knowingly and unknowingly. We don't know where to use no and not. So if you're the person don't know where to use no and where to use not, so you stay with this video. You will know all about these things. So before diving in my content, I will really highly request you, please hit the bell icon and subscribe my YouTube channel where you can get my latest video and you can learn the new things by farmer. So let's dive in my content. So first I will talk about no. So what is mean of that no? No is showing the negative point. Negative point showing is no. Okay, so what is mean of that no and not? So no is saying that you cannot do any kind of work permanently. Totally you cannot do work forever. Like you are going to shop and on their receptions there is a word do not enter. Have you seen that? And mean of that you cannot enter in the receptions forever. You are totally banned. This is mean of no. No more entry forever. No more work forever. Mean of no. But go on not. Not is also negative word, but not what does not say? Not says that you can not enter now, right now, but you can enter later on. Like you want somewhere else, don't enter. Mean don't enter now. Somebody is in special work, doing special work, but later on you can enter. So the no is permanent ban, deny forever. Not is that ultimate ban, not deny forever, deny for this moment now. This is the meaning of that no and not. Hope so this content would be helpful for you. If somebody asks you, you will reply of that. So for now, in this video, with two things, I will tell you, let's meet with new video, with new content and with new journey techniques of that as well. Thank you so much. Have a good day. I will tell you bye bye.